Hello, this is Brian Hegney, instructor of game and interactive media design. One thing I'm going to do with this, just in case I want to see it with a much higher poly count, with nice rounded edges here, I want to just give it a Turbosmooth. Now, if I were to just apply Turbosmooth here to round those corners, it's going to look like crud. Yay, it's cruddy! I am going to click down into this Edit Poly. Now my show end result is toggled off. If you toggle that on, you'll see that Turbosmooth above it. I'm going to toggle it off, and I'm going to use this Edit Poly on top of Unwrap UVW to use Swift Loop to kind of, let's make a little stopgap here. So I want to stop that there. I want to stop it there. I want to stop it there. Stop it there. Stop it here. What happens when I show? I'm not sure what's going to happen now. And okay, that's starting something interesting. The next thing I want to do, I thought I might need to do that, but I wasn't sure. I need to maybe stop this edge right here with my Turbosmooth. Oh, and also one right here. There we go. Yeah. Now with these edge loops here, it's all going to just ensure that when I smooth this object, these corners are going to round out. Show end result, turn off my edged faces, and you can see we've got this really nice curved tile piece. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. With this, actually my unwrapping is still the same, because I think it's still the same. It should be. What I want to do is, yes, if I just export this. This is why you always want to unwrap before you Turbosmooth. Stop it. So I'm going to hit File, Export. In this case, I'm going to say Export Selected, but I'm going to say Shogi underscore corners, and I'm going to just make sure it doesn't say Turbosmooth. Unreal Engine doesn't have its own turbo smoothing, and so when you uncheck turbo smoothing, you are telling 3D Studio Max to bake down those Turbosmooth polygons, get rid of the parametric aspect of the Turbosmooth here, because it's not going to be able to use it in Unreal. So by unchecking it, it's going to bake all of this geometry into the 3D form. Okay, let's say okay. It's saying, hey, you have Turbosmooth, that's not going to be working. Yes, I know. And now we go into Unreal Engine, and I just want to import that Shogi corners. Everything's the same. Auto-generate collision. Don't import. Don't create materials. I'm going to drag this here. It's a little bit cuter. I gotta say that. Definitely cuter. Look at that. Oh, it's so adorable. Drag that. Oh gosh, look at that. Now there's something I do want to change in my model. No, I'm not terribly annoyed with this. There's this piece of geometry right here that's just not cool. But other than that, like, oh my, yeah, I like it. Like it a lot. So you can see the difference between like a super low poly and then a beefier, smoothed piece there, and that's up to you what you use, how much you have, how much gosh, computing space, memory, like how this will perform in your actual game. So if you guys only have one piece like this, that's fine if you're just using the knight, but if you have a whole board, I don't know, try it and see. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this Shogi piece modeling tutorial, and go have fun.